Let's get started right away cooking the octopus. I'm going to chop up the celery, including the leaves, and do the same with the carrot. I'll toss the vegetables in the water and add 2 bay leaves, 1 clove of garlic, some peppercorns, and a bit of salt. As soon as the water begins to boil, I curl the octopus tentacles. I'll cover it with the lid, and then we'll let our octopus cook for approximately 40 to 45 minutes on medium heat. I've let the octopus cool in the water it was cooked in, and now I'll clean it and then cut it into 2 centimeter pieces. I empty the head. Remove the eyes. Finally, I also remove the beak. And now I can chop it up. I'll transfer it to a bowl. And now the only thing that's left for us to do is dress our octopus with a parsley citronette. I remove the stems from the parsley and then I can chop it finely. I'll transfer it to a jar, and in a moment I'll tell you why. I'm going to pour in the oil and lemon juice and add a nice pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. And now I'll show you the trick. Instead of emulsifying, I shake it right here in the jar. Now I can dress the octopus. Mix it well. And now we're ready to try one of my favorite dishes. Perfectly cooked.